Hi there, I'm Sandy Huntress, and I am so excited to once again be teaching one of my dragons in the polymer clay adventure. This time, for 2019, by popular demand, I am teaching how to make a steampunk dragon. This project has been highly requested, and I'm thrilled to finally be able to bring it to you. This polymer clay dragon is a very detailed project. I will show you how to do each and every step, starting with where to find inspiration for the attitude, mood, and pose of your dragon. I'll give lots of ideas for props and inclusions and extra things you can add to your creation. We'll start by building an armature that will be the skeleton for your dragon's body. I'll show you how to build it up and give tips for achieving exactly the look you want. We'll then go on to adding all sorts of fun details, including faux metal plates, steampunk gears, and the coolest looking wings. Along the way, I will be showing you how to correct problems, how to personalize your project, and give design tips so that you will have an amazing piece of art when you're done. We'll even look briefly at just how gears in a clock actually work. Nothing too technical, I promise. But this will help us to get a much more realistic effect. Join me in making your own one-of-a-kind steampunk dragon. Let's get started.